Music has a surprising and powerful effect on learning, and understanding how to use it can dramatically improve focus, memory, creativity, and overall productivity. One of the key ways music helps is by improving concentration. Many people struggle to stay focused while studying because of distractions or wandering thoughts, and research shows that listening to certain types of music, especially instrumental, classical, or ambient tracks, can help block out external distractions and create a mental flow state. The patterns, rhythm, and harmonies in music help your brain settle into a steady pace, making it easier to absorb information and maintain attention over longer periods. In addition to focus, music can enhance memory. Studies suggest that pairing information with melodies or background music strengthens neural connections, making it easier to recall what you've learned later. This is sometimes referred to as the Mozart effect, where listening to classical music has been linked to improved spatial temporal reasoning, although the effect is debated. The general consensus is that the right type of music makes learning more enjoyable and memorable. Music also plays a significant role in reducing stress, which is a major factor that can negatively affect learning. High stress levels increase cortisol in the brain, making it harder to concentrate and retain information. Listening to calming or soothing music lowers stress, relaxes the mind, and creates a more productive environment, allowing learners to approach difficult material with a clearer head. Beyond focus, memory, and stress relief, music can also stimulate creativity. Upbeat, ambient, or instrumental music activates different areas of the brain, encouraging free-flowing ideas, problem-solving, and innovative thinking. Students or professionals working on creative projects can benefit enormously from background music, as it helps them think outside the box and approach challenges from new angles. However, it's important to use music strategically to get the best results. Music with lyrics can sometimes be distracting because your brain may try to process the words, instead of focusing on the task at hand. Instrumental tracks, lo-fi beats, classical music, or soft electronic music are often the best options for studying, reading, or writing. Volume also matters. Keeping it moderate ensures that the music is a supportive tool rather than a source of distraction. Additionally, pairing music with specific types of tasks can optimize learning. For example, using music for repetitive or less demanding tasks, while tackling complex problem-solving or new concepts in quiet environments. Other ways to enhance the benefits of music in learning include creating playlists tailored to study sessions, using music to signal the start of focused work, and reflecting afterward to see what tracks or tempos helped the most. Even brief study sessions with the right background music can leave a lasting impact on attention span and retention. In summary, music is far more than entertainment. It is a tool that, when used wisely, can improve concentration, boost memory, reduce stress, and enhance creativity, turning study sessions into more efficient and enjoyable experiences. By understanding the right types of music to use, keeping distractions minimal, and pairing music with purposeful study habits, anyone can harness the power of music